What's going on, guys? My name's Alex, and today I'll be going over RSI, or the Relative Strength Index. I'll start with the definition. According to Investopedia, RSI is a momentum indicator that measures the magnitude of recent price changes to evaluate overbought or oversold conditions in the price of a stock or other asset. With that being said, the RSI is numbered 1 through 100, with anything over 70 being considered overbought and anything under 30 being considered oversold. Now let's dive in and take a look. Okay, so if we look right here, this is the RSI indicator as labeled. I also increased the size of it for this video. Now the RSI is a great indicator for day trades because you want to be able to predict a reversal as it's happening or right before it happens. As you can see right here, this stock experienced a morning run, reached a peak right around here, and is indicated by the RSI was very overbought as it passed the 70 line. This is the 70 line, this is the 30 line, or as we mentioned earlier, this is overbought, this is oversold. Okay, so on the other hand, if we look a couple hours past market open, we'll see that the stock experienced a big sell-off right here. Shot down past the 30 line, or as we call it, oversold, and this indicates that the stock should reverse and start uptrending, as it did, not by much, but it did have a bit of a recovery. So in order to keep this video short and simple, there are a few takeaways that I want you all to understand. First two are obvious, they are covered throughout this video many times. RSI above 70 indicates that a stock is overbought. RSI below 30 indicates that a stock is oversold. Next, never base a trade on the RSI indicator alone, because that's simply all it is an indicator. It does not tell you where the price is going, it just gives you an idea. RSI does not always indicate a reversal, like I just mentioned. Say there's a catalyst that's driving the price of a stock down, like bad news. The RSI will show that the stock is oversold, but it does not have any sign that the stock is going back up because of the catalyst or bad news. On the other hand, the same can go for good news and the stock price going up or being overbought. Thank you all so much for watching. Any further questions can be answered in the comment section below. With that being said, if this video helped you out in any way, please return the favor with a like. If you'd like me to cover anything else, reach out to me in the comments below or send me a direct message on Instagram. I plan to make investment-related videos as well as videos related to social media marketing. In the description below, you'll find two links. The first link is an invite to join a trading group chat that I've created on Discord. The second link is an investment Instagram that I run where you'll find plenty of resources to help your trading career. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.